Hello, welcome to 5.3 day 1. We're going to find the equation from the linear relationship. So we're going to be basically doing everything that we have been doing the last few days. So we're going to identify the y-intercept, calculate slope, write an equation. This is going to be more like this. We're going to calculate slope first, then find the y-intercept, and then write an equation. Here's my example. So now we're going to get to a point where we might not be able to see the y-intercept very easily, because now we don't have a line. And some of you might be thinking, well, Ms. Abbott, just draw a line, duh. Well, as you know from in class, drawing lines is kind of hard to draw them straight. And I'm not really sure where it would go. So I'm not really sure where over here it's going to hit. Is it going to hit here? Is it going to hit here? Is it going to be somewhere in the middle? I don't know. So I'm going to show you how to mathematically figure it out. So since we can't, with our eyes, see where the y-intercept is, we're now going to just do slope. So step 1, slope. So I'm going to pick the first two ordered pairs. And I'm going to do y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. These come first, these come second. So 11 minus 7 over 10 minus 5 gets me 4 over 5. So now I have y equals 4/5 x plus b. I don't know what this is. I can't see it on the graph, so now I'm going to mathematically figure it out. How we do that is we're going to replace y and x, because you can only solve for a variable if there's only one variable you don't know. If I have too many that I don't know, I can't actually solve it. So ordered pairs look like x comma y. So I'm going to take those x's and y's and put them into my equation over here. So I'm going to take this first one because it's the smaller the numbers, the better. Excuse me. So I got my y is 7. So instead of y, I'm going to write 7 equals 4/5 times my x is now 5. Plus b. I'm going to make this look like a fraction by putting it over 1. Multiplying fractions is super easy. You just multiply straight across. 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 1 is 5. I'm going to bring everything down. 7 equals 20 over 5 plus b. I just multiplied the fractions. Now 20 divided by 5 is 4. So I got 7 equals 4 plus b. Now I need to get b all by itself, so think back to 7th grade where I split a problem in half. I need to get b alone. To do that, I have to do the opposite operation of positive 4. The opposite of positive 4 is negative 4, but whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. Just think of your siblings. If your sibling got something, you tell your parents, I better get the same thing. So whatever I do one side, I'm going to do this exact same thing to the other side, make it fair. 7 minus 4 is 3, so I'm left with b on this side. So I'm left with b equals 3. This is our y-intercept. So that is our answer to the back of our problem over here. So we got y equals 4/5 x plus 3. Final answer. All right, let's do one more. Now this one is a little easier because you can see what the y-intercept is. The y-intercept hits at a nice spot right there, and it looks like it's going by 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And this is going by 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I could see it hits here clearly, so we're just going to use that. So we got y equals something x plus 20. So we don't have to do all the extra work we did over here to figure out what b is, because we can see what the y-intercept is. So if you can't see what the y-intercept is, you have to figure it out mathematically. And if you can see it, you just plug it in. Now we gotta find slope. So this ordered pair, we got 0, 20, and this next one is 5, 40. So y2 is 40 minus y1 is 20. x2 is 5 minus x1 is 0. 40 minus 20 is 20. 5 minus 0 is 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. And this goes right there. Final answer. Let me know if you have any questions.